All right, we are at Orange Grove and Thornydale Road / River Road, and we got Polara Bulldogs, but we're not gonna film. We're not gonna film this one because we already know what it sounds like. All of these do. So the side we're gonna do is on this side because there's a medium button that's new. There are McCain buttons for the middles, but that's about it. They're not that special, so I'll go over there and then go back. Green arrow. There's a couple more intersections down there, but we're not doing those. And there's one right over there where they've already filmed once. We're going to this one. Green light, walk sign. Here's this one. There you go. This one has no countdown at all. Made it to this side, so now we're gonna go ahead and go this way. I swear this one smells. This particular area stinks a little bit. I didn't know that the timer could go over 40. Hold on. Okay. There was a 41-second countdown. There's this one. I forgot to focus. There we go. This one appears to have had a new countdown. Almost dropped my headphones there. There we go. Got them back on. That's it for this video.